Hello everyone, welcome back to AI Data House. In today's video, we are going to talk about Google Sheets. We will show you how moving from Excel to Google Sheets can transform your business and how to connect Google Sheets with Google Data Studio and AppSheet for even more incredible benefits. If you are a startup looking to supercharge your operations and save money, you don't want to miss this. First, let's discuss the cost. Unlike Excel, which requires a Microsoft Office subscription, Google Sheets is completely free. Imagine the money you will save, which can be reinvested into other crucial aspects of your business. Plus, Google Sheets is constantly updated with new features, giving you a powerful tool without spending a dime. Google Sheets is cloud-based, making it incredibly easy for your team members to work together in real time. Users can collaborate on the same spreadsheet, leave comments, and track changes effortlessly. This is perfect for startups that need constant communication and collaboration. In contrast, Excel requires sharing and merging separate files, which can be tedious and error-prone. Excel does offer online version, but that is limited. We will talk about it. Here the game totally changed because with Google Sheets you can make very powerful dashboards by connecting Google Sheets to Google Data Studio. Google Data Studio is an amazing tool for visualizing data. It integrates seamlessly with Google Sheets. By linking your Sheets data to Data Studio, you can create interactive real-time dashboards that help you analyze your data effectively. This empowers startups to make informed decisions and stay ahead of the competition without needing expensive tools or services. Excel does offer Power BI, but that is a paid tool. You have to buy it to use. With Google Sheet, you can connect your data with Google Data Studio and you can make the dashboards. Get ready for this. You can create custom apps for free using Google Sheets. AppSheet is a no-code development platform that allows you to develop user-friendly apps using Google Sheets data. By linking Sheets to AppSheet, you can create amazing apps that streamline your business processes, enhance collaboration, and boost productivity. This not only saves startups the cost of hiring app developers, but also provides the flexibility to create tailor-made solutions that fit their unique needs. Excel desktop version doesn't offer this feature, and while it does have smart apps, you will need to upload files and connect data, making it more tiresome process. Excel Online has a limited free version, but it doesn't support VBA, which is often used for automation and complex calculations. Google Sheets, on the other hand, has AppScript, a powerful language that can be used for a wide range of automation tasks and integrations with other Google platforms like Gmail, Calendar, and Forms. Imagine you are entering the data in Google Sheet, and if certain conditions are met, emails are being sent automatically or entries are being added onto your calendar. But with Excel, you cannot do those things. This enables startups to streamline their workflows, save time, and supercharge their productivity. Switching to Google Sheets from Excel can be a game changer for startups looking to optimize their operations, save on cost, and improve collaboration. By leveraging Google Sheets' powerful features and integration capabilities with tools like Google Data Studio and AppSheet, startups can set themselves up for success and drive growth in the long run. Now that you have discovered the incredible benefits of switching to Google Sheets for your startup, we would love to hear your thoughts. Which platform do you think is best for your business, Excel or Google Sheets? Share your opinions in the comments below and let's keep the conversation going. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI Data House for more game-changing tips and insights. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.